Morning everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel and the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm talking really fast because I'm about to go to work, so I thought I might do a video today. I kind of want to vlog my day. So right now I'm about to make my lunch, so I thought I might show you guys what I'm making. I'm pretty much doing some leftovers, so yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm making. It's very simple, and also very healthy as well. So okay, so I've got some leftover pasta that I had from last night. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here. This is my lunchbox, guys. Like, I love this because it's got like a divider. So I'm using leftover pasta. I always try and use up like whatever leftovers I have. So if you don't have one of these, oh my gosh, guys, so TikTok influenced me to buy one of those like those cutters, and it is honestly like the best thing I've ever gotten. I'm pretty sure my sister got it for my mom for Christmas last year, but she didn't know how to use it, and then when it kind of came just a thing on TikTok, I remembered I had it, and it has literally changed my life. It's like the easiest thing to use, guys. I don't even know what it's called, but I'll try and link it in the description box for you guys. I'll find it like on Amazon because most people find theirs on Amazon, so I'll try and make sure I link it there for you guys. Please ignore the dishes because I will do that when I get back from work. Anyway, so it's like the easiest thing. So obviously it has the stuff to go in, and then it has this thing that you take off, and you also change like the blades as needed. So what I do is, so what I do is today I'm gonna have carrots, and like I'm pretty much gonna have like a pasta salad. So what I'm gonna do, what you do is cut up like obviously whatever fruits or vegetables you want, honestly, guys. So I've just gone ahead and cut up some carrots. I might just do a bit more because so what I do is I cut up everything because I want it to be a certain portion. That's why, hence why I've cut it like this. And then you literally, cut it like that, put it down. Oh, look at that, guys. It's like the best thing ever. Again. Honestly, it's the best thing ever. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in some cucumber because I want it to be like a carrot and cucumber salad, and like I guess pasta salad. So cut up all the cucumbers. You don't have to cut them up into small, but I just like to do that. But look at that, it's like the easiest thing. Saves you from having to sit there and that's what it looks like. Isn't that like the greatest thing ever? Like, whoever literally thought of this was amazing. So what I'm gonna do is just put some of this here. Like, I'm just gonna pour my carrot there, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna have. And that's pretty much my lunch for today. Normally I will put some sort of like protein in there, but I think that will do today because I don't think I'm gonna even have a lot of time to eat lunch today because it's so busy. For breakfast today, and for breakfast, I think I'm just gonna have some raisin toast just because I don't really have anything else. Normally I have bagel, so what I do is get some butter. So I put my butter on before I get to work just because it's just so much more easier. Just get some flour. And that's it for today. And I'll get a fruit as well. And I also have a fruit and a nice extra, I guess, protein yogurt just for the day. That's pretty much my lunch. I'm done for the day. I'm actually kind of running late. I need to drop Mateo off to school. Then I have to get to work. So let's go to work. I've already packed Mateo's lunch, but I'll try and pack my lunches every now and then for you guys, just so you guys can see all the different meals I have throughout the week. But anyway, until then, I'll see you guys, I guess, in the next week. See you guys.